At Performance Lexus RiverCenter, we believe that a car is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a way to connect with the world around you, to explore new places, and to make memories with the people you love. For over 50 years, we've been helping our customers find the perfect Lexus to fit their needs and their lifestyle. Whether you're looking for a sleek and sporty sedan, a spacious and comfortable SUV, or a hybrid that's both fuel-efficient and luxurious, we've got you covered. But it's not just about the cars. It's about the relationships we build with our customers. It's about the personalized service we provide and the attention to detail that sets us apart. At Performance Lexus RiverCenter, we pride ourselves on offering a personalized service that goes above and beyond.
The Performance Valet service is a service that we offer our customers at no charge, where we will actually go out to their house, pick up their vehicle, get it back here, get it taken care of, whatever it is they need, and get the car back to the customer in a timely fashion.
And to make things even easier, we have iService, which is a convenient video service. With just a few clicks, you can watch a video of the maintenance being performed directly on your phone, giving you peace of mind and transparency every step of the way. We invite you to visit us at Performance Lexus RiverCenter.